Hello YouTubers, Zeltrax Millennium back with a review, vlog, or an unboxing. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy the video. Hello YouTubers, Zeltrax Millennium here with a brand new video for you. Now, it's time for an unboxing. Yeah, you haven't seen one of these from me in a long time, have you? So yeah, I got a package in the mail today, and let me see if I can get close enough so you can see it. This package is from Tyler James, which, yes, this is a package from the Plastic Addict himself. So, let's go and unbox this sucker. We got the trusty box cutter, and, you know, knives are getting kind of dull. Wouldn't it be cooler if you opened it with a sword? It would. Oh no, by the way, if you're wondering where I got the sword, $10 at the Big White Swap Meet. So we got the box. Let's see if we can get some real lacerations out of this thing. That worked. Sorry if I'm keeping most of this off camera. Okay, that should be good enough. Back to the box cutter for the bottom. Sweet. I bought from him some Gaia-Memories. Here's the O's memory. Huh, he didn't pull the tab out. Cool. Here's O's. Here's and so yeah. These are the 3 Gaia-Memories that I bought from TJOmega. And I bought these because he really wanted to buy the Predaking reissue, and so I helped him out. And I bought from him these Gaia-Memories. Hopefully I'll put up a review of these guys roundabouts in the next few days or so. This is Zeltrax Millennium, signing off. Laters.